Welcome to Real Talk English with Emma, your friendly English coach. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to talk about my hobbies. I believe happiness grows from the little things we do every day. Come join me as I share the hobbies that make my life bright and peaceful. Every morning, I visit my small garden. The air smells fresh, and tiny drops of dew sparkle on the leaves. Good morning, little plants. Time for your sunshine. Watching them grow reminds me that patience always blooms into beauty. I've learned that plants need love, sunlight, and just the right amount of water. Not too much, not too little. Just like us, they grow best when cared for kindly. After gardening, I make a warm cup of tea and open my favorite book. As I read, I travel to faraway places without leaving my chair. Quiet moments like these help my mind rest. Painting is my colorful escape. Each stroke tells a little story of how I feel today. Today feels like a sky blue kind of day. The smell of cookies fills the kitchen, sweet, buttery, and happy. Baking teaches patience. You can't rush good things. Almost ready. Perfect. I never keep all the cookies to myself. Sharing with friends makes the flavor even better. Their smiles are my favorite reward. Music always lifts my heart. When I strum my guitar, worries fade away. Music always makes my heart lighter. On weekends, I ride my bike through the park. The wind whispers freedom, and every pedal reminds me to keep moving forward. Photography helps me see the world differently. A single flower, a shadow, a smile. Small things can tell big stories. Gardening teaches patience and care. Sometimes flowers don't bloom right away, just like dreams. Books are my silent teachers. They fill my mind with colors and places I've never seen. Through reading, I travel the world. Creativity is not about being perfect. It's about being honest. Every brushstroke is a small piece of me. Cooking mixes science and love. A pinch of care makes every meal special. Sometimes I just listen, really listen to music. Each note feels like a heartbeat of the world. A good photo tells a story. Look for light, shape, and feeling, not perfection. Cycling keeps me healthy and happy. Movement is medicine for the soul. Emma, why do you love hobbies so much? Because they remind me to slow down and smile. When the sun sets, I write down 3 things I'm thankful for. Gratitude makes every day feel complete. I end my day with quiet peace. Tomorrow will bring new chances to learn, create, and smile again. Please repeat and practice after me for slowly, clearly, and naturally together. Paint. To create pictures using colors. I love to paint when I feel happy. Cook. To prepare food. I cook cookies every Sunday. Read. To look at words and understand their meaning. Reading makes me smarter. Music. Sounds that make you feel good. I listen to music every night. I like to paint. Do you like to paint? Yes, I do. Bake. To cook with heat in an oven. I bake cakes for her friends. Photo. A picture taken with a camera. I take photos every weekend. How about you? Let's review. Garden, paint, cook, read, music, bake, photo. Great job! Our hobbies remind us who we are. They bring balance between work and rest. Each hobby teaches a lesson: to wait, to care, to dream. I sometimes teach kids to paint. Sharing what we love spreads joy. Take a deep breath. Listen to your heartbeat. You're doing great. Let's look back at my favorite moments: gardening, painting, music, baking, reading. What about you? What's your hobby? What makes you smile every day? Work hard, but don't forget to enjoy simple joys. Balance makes life beautiful. No matter where you are, you can start something you love today. As the sun sets, I smile and thank every moment for its simple beauty. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can join us next time. Bye for now. See you next time on Real Talk English with Emma.